You don't need a list of 20 habits that look good on paper but fall apart in real life. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. pretending you're in Navy SEAL training. What you really need is a simple, solid routine that helps you become better a little each day. No gimmicks, no fluff. Just actions that move the needle. Here's the only routine that truly matters if you want to grow into your best self. 1. Wake up before the world does. You don't need to wake up at some crazy hour. Just get up early enough to claim peace. Before the noise, before the messages, that quiet moment in the morning. That's your time. It's not about being extreme. It's about starting your day with intention, your energy, your focus, your goals, not the world's chaos. Move your body every single day. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need fancy gear. You just need to move. Walk around the block. Stretch your muscles. Do 20 push-ups. Lift something heavy. Take the stairs. It's not about looking a certain way. It's about telling your mind that your body matters. That energy beats laziness. That motion wins. Even 5 minutes counts. Even one small action makes a difference. Don't plan in your head. Write it down. Every morning, write down 3 main tasks for the day. Not 10, not 20, just 3. If it's not on paper, it's just noise in your head. A written plan gives your mind clarity. It gives you control. Don't let your brain get weighed down by clutter. Free it by writing your path. Eat like you care about yourself. Food is fuel, not comfort. Eat whole foods. Eat enough protein. Drink water throughout the day. You don't need to count every calorie. Just ask yourself one thing before you eat. Is this helping me or hurting me? Because garbage food leads to garbage energy. And your goals deserve better. Feed your mind just 10 minutes a day. A podcast, a few pages from a book, an inspiring video, a lesson on a new skill. You don't need hours. Start with 10 focused minutes. You scroll for hours every day without thinking. What if you swapped just a small part of that time to sharpen your brain? Knowledge builds confidence, and confidence builds action. Get outside. Touch sunlight. Breathe in fresh air. Let your eyes see something that isn't a screen. You're not meant to be locked indoors 24/7. You're not a robot. You need nature to reset, even if it's just 5 minutes. Leave your phone inside. Walk without a goal. This simple act will recharge you in ways a cup of coffee never could. 7. Choose one hard thing on purpose. Discomfort is your greatest teacher. Take a cold shower. Finish that hard workout. Have that awkward conversation. Do the task you've been avoiding all week. Growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from choosing the hard path, the one most people run from. Do one hard thing a day. Build resilience like a muscle. 8. Reflect before bed. Before you close your eyes, take 5 minutes to check in. What did you do well today? Where did you mess up? And what will you do tomorrow to be just 1% better? That's how real growth works, not by chasing perfection, but by building momentum. Little wins, daily honesty, forward movement. And that's it. That's it. No hacks, no complicated systems, just 8 real actions that create real change. One day won't change your life, but 100 days of this, you'll be unrecognizable. So if you're done watching other people grow, if you're tired of waiting for the perfect time, start now. Share this video with someone who needs a push. This isn't just another motivational speech. This is a challenge to yourself, to rise above excuses, to build discipline, to become the person you know you can be. Comment below. I'm ready to change. Write it, own it, speak it into reality. Let's go, brick by brick, step by step. No more stalling, no more doubt. This is your time. Let's get